To purchase a Dogecoin on Venmo. The process is relatively quick and easy. Start by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. Then, click or tap on the screen at the bottom, located to the right of your profile icon. This will open up a new screen displaying various cryptocurrencies available for purchase on Venmo. Find the Dogecoin from the list and click on it, which will take you to a similar page. From there, click on the Buy button, followed by the Continue button. If you're purchasing cryptocurrency on Venmo for the first time, you'll be asked to verify your information. Click Continue, read the terms and conditions, and then agree to them. Next, click on the Quoted button. Enter the amount you want to purchase in dollars or your local currency, and click Next. You'll then be prompted to select a payment method. Choose one and click on the Buy button to complete the purchase. Your Dogecoin will be bought and added to your Venmo account.